Oh, real quick, Mr. Ruben L.
Oh.
Vasquez, our good friend from Florida, checking
I
in.
hope we
Good to see
fixed
you.
him.
Yeah, I hope you're all good with your Muse. Quick mention to Muse users out there. If you're ever operating and the Muse is a little bit slow, if it's a little boggish, if it's ever just acting a little slow, chances are there is a couple things going on. Your cookies and cache for the website probably just need to be cleared. That will help a lot. But a quick reset on the machine will always do a tune-up. Now, the things you can consider to prevent this from happening is not keeping so many projects on your Muse. Now, one thing that might have happened and something to consider is if you had projects saved in RE2 and then you're switched over to RE3 use, your machine still could be storing those projects. So just be sure to check if you have projects stored. You can always go up using the file, save to project file up in your menu. Save those projects right to your PC so you can reload them right into your Muse. That include the location, layer order, power setting, current setting, all those things. Everything that you had saved will be saved for the project. You can load it right back in. This will also help with the computing time. So you'll notice when you hit play to start your Laserhead, there's a moment where the software thinks for a moment before it starts sending the Laserhead out. The fewer things it has to kind of fight through in the software, the faster that will be as well.
Yeah, I always like to remind people you don't have to keep making new projects.
Absolutely.
I just always clear my project and then go to the next one.
Absolutely. Like, I think I have one new project that just is always kind of the new project.
Yeah.
And then out of just habit, I just kind of keep everything cleared out of there. Not for any other reason than I kind of do that with all my other like whether it's Illustrator or Premiere or whatever. I just try to keep as little files in the program as possible, just so the program works as fast as it can.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe. We got more videos of me over here.